Hi Scorpio, this is your latest money read. These are the cards that flipped out for you. And wow, this is really exciting because I know the difference between the meanings of these two cards right here. They're both Seven of Cups, but they're both from different decks. And the progression of these meanings makes a lot of sense. We have here on one side the Page of Wands, on the other side the Seven of Cups, and the tying force being the Seven of Cups from the Weight deck. So we'll start over here with the Page of Wands. Now this Page of Wands, this is a bright, youthful energy, but this is also the energy of someone starting a new job, starting a new project, starting a new endeavor. This could be you right now. This could be you 100 times over in the past, it feels like. I feel like every time you went into a new project or a new job, you did it with the best of intentions. You did it with every single single skill you needed to get this job done, and the eagerness to learn more if you needed to. I feel like at the same time though, for whatever reason, if you moved or if the job changed or if there were layoffs or what have you, if you ever had to change jobs, you usually had to start somewhere else that was brand new. And again, you're at the bottom of the totem pole working your way up. I feel like how this plays out, it's almost as if with these Seven of Cups here tying this, you had to start so many new jobs for so many strange reasons, and it wasn't that you were a bad employee. Sometimes it's outside forces, but you always had to start at the bottom. And it didn't matter, like say for example, you went to go into hotel work for a while, and you worked there for like say 2 years, and you did a really good job, and you're about to be promoted. The hotel closed down, so you had to go get another job somewhere, and say in the food industry. You had to start on the bottom, and then you worked your way up there, and then like say for whatever example, the pandemic, they closed down. So you had to start somewhere else, brand new. And I'm seeing this pattern over and over and over, that by now you are a veteran in all the different ins and outs and inner workings of every kind of business you could possibly imagine, and that in the grand scheme of things, no one has any business offering you, the entry-level position pay. And that's the issue that I'm seeing very strongly right now. And again, a driving force behind you embracing this energy yet again and thinking, okay, you know what? I'm going out on my own. I am going out on my own. In doing that, we have the Weight version of the Seven of Cups, which I usually think of as the standard version. Forgive me, that's just, hey, that may change in the near future, but that's just immediately what comes to mind. And these represent all these different choices. These could have been the jobs that did not have a tenure to them, did not have longevity to them. These could have been all the different ideas you had to make extra money that, again, did not have that momentum to them, weren't able to provide. But these were also the good ideas. Again, this is a mixed kind of blend here. These were also the good ideas in ways that you were able to learn, hey, wait, I can do this and make a little extra money. Hey, wait, I turned out I was good at this. Who knew? I didn't know I was going to be good at that. So along this road and along this journey and all these different choices that you made, some of them, prospered, and some of them taught you, hey, that's not how you prosper. But either way, it helped you along this journey. It helped lift you up into that veteran status. And that's where we end up here with the Seven of Cups from the Uncommon Tarot, which this is very much like the manifestation card. This is a woman who is literally manifesting all these different chalices, all these different opportunities. And again, it doesn't have to be a woman. I'm just explaining the picture. Gender is fluid in the tarot. But she knows she is the master of her own destiny. And on this journey, you have learned that. You have learned that if you think of something a little bit dark, something dark may come at you. If you think of something positive and abundant, something positive and abundant will find you. It may take some time. It may come in little increments, but it always works that way. So you're able to, sort of assess this journey that you've been on and really learn from it. Now, this is where you're going to prosper, Scorpio. This is where things are really going to come into fruition, because you have been able to It's almost like you've learned this loophole. You've learned all the ins and outs, all the tricks of the trade to get you to this spot. And now you're at this spot where you can manifest it. I feel like some of you are just now starting on this new path. This is the path that will bring you this manifestation. But I feel like where we are on this path is right at the trailhead. You're right at the beginning. You see all your opportunity. You're well aware of what you've learned in picking and making choices and being choosy in the past. And now you're able to implement that into manifestation. This is where your money's going to start rolling in. Oh, okay, Scorpio. I hope this helps. Until next time, my loves, over and out.